This was a crusty 25-year-old KX250 motor. For part 7 of my 99 KX250 build, I'll be showing you how I brought this engine back to life. I started by installing new bearings into the polished cases. I used the hot and cold method to install the crank. Heat is used to expand the inner race of the bearing, and the crankshaft is frozen to shrink it slightly. Next was the transmission. I dropped the gear set into the bearings as a unit, and carefully placed each shift fork into its correct spot. Then, I applied gasket maker to the mating surface, aligned the cases, and pressed them together slowly. I spun the crank and transmission to make sure they were smooth. Next came the shifter and kicker mechanisms, and finally the clutch. As this is an all-out build, I couldn't help but install a record. With extra plates and stiffer springs, this thing is gonna pull. To finish off the bottom end, I installed the water pump, stator, and flywheel. For the top end, I went with a Vertex piston. Careful not to drop the circlip. I checked the ring gap to make sure it was in spec, then installed the freshly plated cylinder. To top it all off, I installed a fathead and D-force reeds. How do you think I did? Follow along to see this motor fire for the first time.